Y'all, we are back at you for another episode of
Plant Virus.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Debris plants.
How are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. We got to get going. Why? Who's out to get our free plants?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the waste management landscape debris trucks. They come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. We also have, it doesn't look like it, but we have a big storm coming at us from the south. So Teddy and I are going to get going down the road here, and we'll get back with everybody if we get something good. All right, from a distance, we thought we scored some bamboo, but upon closer inspection, it looks like it's plastic. So we'll keep looking. Okay, here's a nice little pile of fiddle leaf fig here. It's one we've had moderate success rooting from cuttings. We'll grab a couple pieces of this.
Yeah.
Save it from the trash. Here is just a beautiful Royal Ponciana tree. So pretty. The flowers are so vibrant. Kind of looks like a mimosa tree if you're from the south. This is just I guess a tropical version. I have no clue if they're in the same family or not, but man, what a beautiful tree. Okay, Teddy spotted some tea plant here, and it looks like it might be a full plant with roots. Heck yeah. So this is one you can plant from cuttings, but we're not going to have to plant this from cuttings because it has roots on it. All right, we'll see if he can get it loaded up. I might have to jump out and help him. All right, we got a good pile here. It looks like there's a whole bunch of aloe, and then maybe, yeah, that red bromeliad. Grab some of that aloe up. I don't know if we'll get the red bromeliad. Looks buried. We might. Yank that aloe out, kiddo. Yeah. Yank it out. Is it all a big clump?
Yeah.
It is. All right, I'm gonna jump out and help Teddy here. We'll grab some of the aloe and maybe that bromeliad. So once again, the competition has beat us to this same road.
Yeah.
You can see him blinking up there. He's gotten all these cans along the right here, but you can see they haven't gotten, well, there's a big pile of stuff. They haven't gotten everything along the left here. So we're gonna zoom up in front of them and try and beat them to some of this stuff, because he already beat us to this. We'll try to stay out of their way though. I don't want to get in their way while they're working, but we'll see if we can get ahead of them and get some of the stuff they haven't gotten to yet. All right, here is bin after bin after bin of Schefflera.
No, and Song of India.
And some variegated Song of India.
I thought you turned this on for the Song of India.
Yeah, all right, sweet. Well, we'll grab a couple cuttings. Both of these can be rooted from cuttings easily. Show them what you got. Yeah, look at that. All right, sweet.
Yeah.
All right, here's a massive pile of ficus, a rubber tree. We might need to, why don't you grab the clippers?
Yeah,
Kiddo?
that's...
These are some big pieces, but this is super easy to root from cuttings. So maybe Teddy will, cut like one or two of those.
99% success rate.
Yeah, super easy to root from cuttings. All right, we'll save a couple of these from the trash for sure. Whoa, we just rolled up on a prize right here. You want to hop out and grab it? Holy cow. Look at this. We got some lobster claw right here. It's got flowers in it. Looks like there might be roots on it too. Pull one of those out. Pull one of the plants out. Let me see if there's roots. I gotta know. Oh, there's no roots. Oh no. Okay, we'll pull all these out and see if there's roots. I'm not sure if we can get this to root from cuttings or not. No, if anything, we're gonna take them just for the flowers. Holy cow. Holy cow. Come on. Is there roots? Is there roots? No. Maybe a little bit? No, that's not roots. All right, well, we're gonna grab them up anyways.
Big one?
All right, here's a little kid's water table that I know Teddy's littlest brother would like.
And his birthday's coming up.
Yeah, oh my gosh,
We'll
look at
grab
that.
them both.
All right, yeah, he'll have fun with that for sure.
Oh.
All right, here's some more ficus or rubber tree cuttings, and we already got some today, but these look even better. I think I'm gonna take one or two of these. Yeah. Definitely said, oh, it's got some flour on it. Save one or two of those. All right, we got a pile of Spanish moss here. You want to grab some, kiddo?
I'll grab it all.
Yeah, we're trying to get this started in our live oaks. For some reason, it won't grow in ours. I don't think we can fit that whole thing. Ted,
Okay.
just grab some of the Spanish moss off of it. Trying to get it going in our trees, so we'll get some of this and give it a try. Oh,
I'll need your help.
whoa, yeah, hop out, kiddo, and show everybody. We just rolled up on like a huge Dracaena with roots on it. Does it have roots? Holy cow, look at that thing. That's a massive plant right there. Can we even fit it in the cart?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop out and help Teddy with this. All right, we made it back. No storm. Plant pirates kind of turned into other stuff pirates this week.
It always does.
Yeah, we got this little water table for our littlest one.
Okay, let's bring it over here and put it.
Yeah, we don't want him to see it, but it's not in perfect condition, but we'll probably get a year's worth of use out of it, and then.
He'll have a blast with this. Oh, cool! It's
Yeah,
got
look
a
at that. It's
You
got
put
a.
water in this, and I think it drips through the holes.
I think we have a little thing we can put in
Yeah.
here that has like a little water wheel. Cool.
We actually had a water table already, but it was like twice as big as this one. So.
we donated it.
Yeah.
So at least it was moved on. To
All right,
another
I'm sure
family.
he'll have fun with that though.
Yeah, he
So.
will.
All right.
He loves those.
What else we got? Oh, probably the next thing you're gonna have to
yeah.
pull off. You're both gonna have to get that. It's heavy. You want me to get it?
We'll get it.
You got it?
Yep.
You got it, Ted?
Yeah.
All right. We got this Dracaena here. This is one you can plant from cuttings, but we will always take
Like a
roots.
dinosaur.
Yeah, look at that. It's like 6 foot tall right there. Sweet. I think this is the variety people call the dragon tree.
Yes.
But anyways, you can plant that from cuttings, but we will always take roots if we can get it. Man, that's like a specimen right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looks like it's been sitting on the side of the road for a little bit, but these plants are tough as nails. They're like cactuses.
Look at that. It was sitting on the side of the road, yet it's shooting off
Yeah.
some new growth.
I know. So sweet. All right, that's a good one. I'm gonna have to dig a big hole for that.
You'll like this one.
Nice. Oh, nice.
Yes, we got a bushel of
Yeah.
Spanish moss.
Believe it or not, there's a stick inside here.
Looks like there's another kind of airplane
Oh, yep,
hidden
there
in
is.
there.
Yep. All right, cool. And there's actually more of that. We just
Yeah.
we grabbed that. So
Cool.
there was a big
you can
big
use it as all
stick
kinds
of
of
it.
stuff.
Yeah, we can use it for crafts. And like I said earlier, we're trying to get it to take off up in our live oaks. For whatever reason, it won't grow in our live oaks.
Doing okay in this one.
It's doing all right. It just fell. Some of it just fell down.
Yeah, it did just fall.
Yeah.
Okay, this is probably my favorite thing.
Yeah, so I guess I should have looked it up before we did our little outro here, but I'm not sure we can root this from cuttings, but we had to grab this just for the flowers.
I think this is torch heliconia,
Okay.
not lobster claw.
Okay.
I think this is what.
No, isn't this called lobster
Maybe
claw?
this is lobster claw.
And the other's heliconia.
Yeah, I think maybe what we have looks just like this, but it's solid red.
Okay,
And that's
cool.
torch heliconia.
Well, I don't think we can root this from cuttings, but I had to get it just for the flowers. So cool. I mean, how cool is that?
That is so cool.
We got several of them. Why don't you pull them all out right now?
Oh, there's flowers on all of them.
Yeah, I know. I don't, like me and Teddy were talking about, like, why would you, if I were the people, I would have waited till the flowers were no good anymore. I guess the plants are starting to look pretty bad.
I think the people you got this from, their whole yard is this, right?
No,
Yeah.
this was a different
Oh,
house.
yeah, it was a different
Because there's
one.
one house we passed that their whole yard is that.
Man,
So.
Look at all of
flowers are
that.
just beautiful. Holy cow. Look at that. All right.
And look at how tall this one is.
Yeah.
And it was a cutting.
Yeah.
Like,
Fortunately, we have some of this planted already. We might have, like she said, the solid red kind, but
Was this a hitchhiker?
hitchhiker. Yep.
Okay, I was like,
Hitchhiker. What is
is
that?
that no, it looks like a maple or a
I don't think that's a maple. I don't know what
sugar,
that is.
like a sweet gum tree. It looks like.
I don't think that's a tree. That looks like a weed to me. I think
Yeah.
that's the weed that kind of looks like a, oh, I forgot.
Papaya?
Yeah, papaya. But they have like little fuzzy berry balls instead of papaya fruits. So,
Okay.
all right, we got some ficus,
You know, those
some
will
rubber
grow.
tree. This is like grows like a weed, and this is so easy to root from cuttings. These are some nice healthy cuttings. I think we got ficus from 2 different piles. This was the healthier stuff.
you got 3 from that.
Sweet, and that will get huge. If you plant that, that will get to be huge. Yep, there's more.
This one has a little air plant on it.
Oh yeah. Nice. Cool. Put that with the Spanish moss. All right, what else we got?
Oh, wait, it's berry.
Yeah, you're gonna have to get.
Fiddly fig.
Yes, fiddle leaf fig. This is another one you can propagate easy from cuttings.
This one we should make into an indoor plant.
Yeah.
Look, a wasp
Oh, yep.
nest. That's kind of cool. Yep. I guess because these underneath of these leaves are super cool.
Yeah, they are.
That'd be cool to look at under a microscope.
Cuttings don't look the greatest, but they are easy to root.
Okay, same pile. You thought there was just Cheffalera, and I thought there was just Song of India. It turned out there's both.
Yes, so let's show one at a time.
Yeah.
Show me one
Cheffalera.
first. So we got this variegated Cheffalera here. I think it's called Capella Gold or something, the variety.
I think it's pronounced Cheffalera.
Cheffalera, yeah. And it's, I think that's the Capella Gold. And then what else do you have?
The Song of India, the variegated.
Yes, and then we got some Song of India. And both of these are real easy to root from cuttings. I would say the Cheffalera is easier to root than the Song of India.
The Cheffalera is like always roots.
The Song of India almost always roots too. It just takes forever to grow roots.
Yes,
I mean, forever and
it
ever.
does.
I mean,
the green one, the one that's not variegated, grew roots faster.
Uh-huh.
And we started with one of the green ones that's up front, and it's like taller than me now. It's crazy.
Teddy's rolling away here. Put the brake on. There we go. Well, why won't my brake go on here?
You have to put the parking brake.
I'm trying. Why don't you hop down so it stops rolling around?
No,
there?
I'm off the wheel.
Okay. All right, next, what do we have? We have
Aloe.
some aloe. So there was a ton of this aloe. We tried to get it out of the pile, but it was like one mass of aloe plant. So we had to cut these off.
Look at, you can see the aloe inside though.
But it's not a problem. You can just stick this right in the ground and it will still grow.
Okay, now this is the second specimen of the day.
That's a good one.
What you got? Oh,
Not
yes.
nearly as heavy.
Yeah, so here's another one. This tea plant, you can easily root from cuttings, but we have roots on this one. So
is that a Auntie Lou?
yeah, I think this is the Auntie Lou, yeah.
Looks like it.
It's either the red sister or the Auntie Lou, but I would say
Auntie
that's the Auntie Lou.
I think I prefer the Auntie Lou over the red sister.
Yeah.
Because I think that the leaves are just fluffier and
Yeah.
thicker.
All right, cool. Is that everything?
That's everything.
Look at
All right, so I'd have to... What?
You guys find these?
Nope.
No, those were just in the...
Oh.
I'd have to say my favorite thing would be the lobster claw here, the Heliconia. I don't
Look
think
at that flower.
we can root it from cuttings. But
I should at least collect those flowers.
yeah,
and
we'll
put them
at least oh
arrange.
yay! The construction started next door. Yay! Only 7 o'clock. Yay! We have great new neighbors. Construction site. It's just the best. Anyways, I think that I'm the most stoked about that. But I don't know. It could be one of these two also because they have roots and they're specimen plants there. Once we get them,
Yeah.
once we rejuvenate them, get them back to
Yeah,
life
we only
again.
found a few specimens like these before.
I'm excited about the fiddle leaf fern.
Fig.
Fig.
Yeah.
Not
Fig.
fern.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
fern. Those are really pretty indoor plants.
Yeah. All right, cool. All right, y'all, if you have any questions or comments about our plants here, just post down below. If you enjoyed our little adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
You're going to get this construction.
Yeah, you're going to get this super annoying construction next door to you. So maybe just consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.